Mix banana with cream and you'll love this cool treat. In a bowl, add 200 grams of cream and 5 bananas. I'm using Nika bananas, but use your favorite kind. Now use a fork to mash them thoroughly. After mashing well, I'll add some hazelnut cream on top. You can use ganache or Nutella instead if you prefer. Use whatever you like or have on hand. Another idea is to add some dulce de leche. Now let's mix to blend the hazelnut cream throughout. When it's ready, let's transfer it to a container. After spreading evenly, I'll top with hazelnut cream. I'll also add some banana slices for decoration. All set, now freeze it until it's firm. Look, our banana chocolate ice cream is ready. It's super quick, easy, and delicious. Try it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Another quick recipe from